This program is suitable for elementary level. Just listen.
I think and remind inside a saint, perfect. Actually, more trouble is remarkable. I think as have in common that misdirected, we get into trouble. Wonderful thing and unbroke question in value to be told that dark or wild hope. You remember the strength of individual, the power, clarity, purpose, and goodness to fight back.
Repeat in the pauses.
Think, think, remember, remember, remind, remind, inside, inside, saint, saint, perfect, perfect, actually, actually, troubled, troubled, remarkable, remarkable, as, have in common, misdirected, misdirected, get into trouble, wonderful, wonderful, unbroken, unbroken, question, question, value, value, to be told, dark, dark, wild, wild,
Hope, hope,
strength, strength, individual, individual, power, power, clarity, clarity, purpose, purpose, goodness, goodness, fight back, fight back.
Let's learn.
I think it's something we can remember about ourselves, make it to remind people what we all have inside of us. Because Louis was not a saint, he was not a perfect person. He was actually more trouble than me, which is remarkable.
Yeah.
Well, I think what's interesting about Louis' story, and maybe even Jack as an actor and myself as the director, and Miyavi, we all, I think, have in common that we have a kind of fire inside of us, that if it's misdirected, we get into trouble. Then that fire is a wonderful thing. And so I think that's why Unbroken is a beautiful thing for people to see, because all those things you question in yourself, there's value in them, and not to be told that you're dark or wild that all of this can be a great thing. And then you learn about someone like Louis, and it gives you hope, because you remember the strength of every individual and the power of that clarity and that purpose and that goodness. We have to fight back.
Repeat in the pauses.
I think you can remember, remind inside a saint, a perfect. Actually, more trouble is remarkable. I think as have in common that misdirected, we get into trouble. Wonderful thing and unbroken question in value, not to be told that dark or wild hope. You remember the strength of the individual, the power, clarity, purpose, goodness to fight back.